This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off your Airpods and open the case. Remove earbuds and set them on a towel to avoid drops. Use a soft toothbrush to brush loose rust and debris. Do this dry first to prevent spreading corrosion. Next, dip a cotton swab in isopropyl 70% or 90% and wring it nearly dry. You want moisture, not pooling. Gently swab metal hinges and charged contacts, short strokes, light pressure. Once done, let parts air for a minute before moving on. Now tackle stubborn corrosion with care. Use a 1/2 cotton swab dampened with isopropyl to focus on rusted hinges and contact points. For flaky rust, a fine brass brush or a clean pencil eraser will remove layers without scratching plated surfaces. Use light, controlled strokes. Tilt the case so any excess solvent or loosened particles drain away from internal cavities. Make short passes. Inspect frequently. If metal contacts look dull but intact, polish lightly. This restores conductivity and prevents intermittent charging issues. Finish by thoroughly drying all parts. Allow 30 to 60 minutes of air drying or use gentle canned air at a distance. Do not apply heat above 40 degrees because adhesives and batteries are sensitive. Reassemble the Airpods in case, then test charging and pairing. If contacts still fail or rust returns quickly, make sure you removed all debris and moisture. If problems persist, stop and seek professional service rather than attempting soldering or battery work yourself. The key troubleshooting tip: persistent corrosion usually needs service-grade repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.